Hey guys, I was asked to give a short little tutorial on sort of how I've got OBS set up. So here it is. Now, when I'm recording, seeing as I'm using OBS, I can't actually show you different profiles, but that doesn't really matter, that's just a different set of settings. And you can always mess around with that later. For now, I'll just show you what general settings I have. First off is scenes and sources. Scenes are just collections of different things. For instance, I could stop recording and show you my other scenes, but that would stop recording. Well, it wouldn't stop recording, it'd stop recording this screen, which is what I'm trying to record, making it a little difficult. And then we've got sources, so mine's just recording my middle monitor at the moment. But as you can see, we can add all sorts of different things. What I was asked to show off a little was game captures and capturing full screen applications. Basically what you want to do is you want to create new, make the source visible, and then you can capture any full screen application or you can capture a specific window. So yeah, basically that's how it works. So we'll select, what shall we select? We'll select this. And while it isn't really working at the moment, it will work when we bring the window up. As you can see here, like so. And it is still recording it because now it's recognized the window. We can just minus to remove it. That should work the same for full screen applications. Next thing is just general settings. Recently I've been messing around to see how lossless I can get stuff, because I was getting a lot of when you use sharpen in Photoshop, that sort of thing, it looked really awful, made text hard to read. So I experimented with getting recording losslessly, which is what this CRF0 option does. It basically just overrides all of this, which is good, and it means it records really well. Now, for fast moving images, for instance, if you're playing an FPS, it will obviously take a lot more to record that losslessly, but especially if you're doing something like sketching in Photoshop or whatever, or just this, where your windows aren't moving too much, stuff like this is all just static, it's not going to take up that much space to record, which is great and precisely what we want. Here, select recording path. If you don't want to record losslessly, for games, I guess that can work. You can probably set that between 25,000 and 200,000. Just play with what works for you. But after discovering this, I'm never going to record not losslessly again. Also, audio. You can see the audio tab over here as well. I'm just recording in 160 kilohertz or whatever. You can also change all of this. Stream, that's just if you want to set up a stream. English general settings. Video, you can't change this, though this is where you change your base canvas. This would be your canvas. You can change your base settings. FPS, I do 30 just because that's probably what my hard drive can handle in an FPS game, but in something less intensive I could probably bump it up to 60. And of course we can't change anything while I'm recording. Hotkeys, if you want to set stuff. Advanced, process priority, generally just leave all this line, and it works fine. Thanks for watching. Sweet memes. Wrong button.